There have been trickles of the 1970s through the watch world since, well, the 1970s. For many industries, it was akin to a second industrial revolution, with the rise in computing technology, mass manufacturing in a diverse range of plastics, and household luxuries becoming more affordable. The quartz-fueled turmoil in the watch industry brought similar developments, but also the integrated bracelet boom, the Baume Mercier Riviera, among the earliest icons. Finally, the fashion trends have swung back around, and integrated bracelet sports watches are selling in huge numbers across the world. The timing could not be better for the modernized Riviera, with its bulked-up appearance, unique dial, and Solita movement. These two new Rivieras certainly have their own identity, with the flashy blue and green dials carrying a chevron-laden pattern, which is supposed to represent the sea and mountains. When you picture the French Riviera, you may imagine an open white shirt over bathers and a glass of champagne in one hand. So it makes sense that Baume Mercier's ode to the region is firmly in the dressy sport niche, with loom-filled Roman numerals at 6 and 12, aiding the touch of class. The 42mm dodecagonal case is a true hallmark of the watch, although, compared to the 1973 version, it comes across as a slightly less extreme shape than you might expect. The way the integrated bracelet flares conforming to the head of the watch somewhat mitigates the angular nature, although the way its polished and brushed facets glint and dance in the light will help remind you. The use of a Solita SW200 movement goes beyond cost-cutting, with the reliability and performance as well as longevity, ensuring that the rest of the watch can be the best quality possible. There is a quick change strap system to allow for rapid swaps. With a water resistance of 100 meters, this may not be a diving tool as we're used to seeing in so many watches. However, it's more than capable of being submerged for a refreshing dip in the waters of the Côte d'Azur. For that mental image alone, the Baume Mercier Riviera could be your next purchase.